Guys, it's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Friday. So just a quick overall recap. Wanted to show you guys that on the 30-minute time frame for Nasdaq, we are beginning to test and begin to show signs of a valid support at that EMA line, far from this overall moving average. On the 5-minute, things are looking a little bit different. So this hasn't happened in too long. But during normal trading hours, we're actually beginning to break below the moving average and the EMA line, which is showing a little bit more signs of a potential pullback, but obviously after a really strong rally, I wouldn't say that's much of a surprise, right? We're still far above this EMA, so I'm looking to wait for that confirmation to see if I'm going to enter a short swing trade when the market actually begins to sell off, and then making money as the market sells off as it potentially retraces back to this moving average. But we don't have that confirmation just yet, so again, just keeping it on the day today. On the 1-minute time frame, things look like it's all over the place. Overall common support range, just so you guys can see here, for QQQ right around 369.50, and then common resistance range right around 371. On TQQQ, again, I closed out this trade based off of overall previous lows and previous highs. So again, overall lows for TQQ, which is the triple leverage ETF, this thing has lows of around 41.20 and overall highs, a common resistance range of around 41.90. So it's beginning to slow down, especially as we go in closer to the last 2 hours of the day, and especially entering this 3-day holiday weekend in observance on Monday to Juneteenth Day. So 2,500 here on SQQQ. I'm up another 2,500 there. So overall, trying to clear a little bit over 5K, especially after my really rough trade yesterday, where I ended 4.6K in the red. So pretty much a really choppy week for me. I don't know if it's just you guys. Market's really overbought, so it's kind of hard for me to make sense of why I should continue to go long, especially when, again, everything is extremely overbought, not just Nasdaq, but when we look at anything like Microsoft, Google, Apple, I mean, we're talking about companies that are approaching all-time highs or are at all-time highs. And for what, right? So I'm getting ready for a potential pullback, at least down to that EMA line. I just wanted to keep you guys up to date, again, not just on the good days, but obviously on the bad ones as well. Today, again, pretty choppy day. So if you didn't trade today, I don't feel like you really missed out on much, just a lot of consolidation. And I feel like the bigger days are right around the corner. So we'll see that once we come back from this 3-day holiday weekend, if we find a support off of this EMA line and continue to make new highs, or if we break below the EMA line and actually begin to sell off and retrace back down to this moving average. And again, this is Nasdaq on the 30-minute time frame. So let me know what you guys see. Do you see the market continuing to rally to potential previous all-time highs, or do you see it retrace back to the moving average on the 30-minute time frame? So excited to follow up. Hope that we're in a thumbs up. Again, I do trade live every single morning. I do want to remind you that if you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as, well, I guess not tomorrow, as soon as Tuesday at market open. Again, second link in the description down below is our biggest sell. It's one-time payment, lifetime access, and you can watch me trade live as soon as the market opens next time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.